How to turn on split screen mode on any Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to run two apps side by side at the same time. First, swipe up and hold to open your recently used apps from there. From there, find one of the two apps you want to use in split screen. After that, tap the app icon shown above that app's preview. At this point, a small menu will pop up. Following this, tap Open in Split Screen View. Once selected, that app will move to the top half of your screen automatically. From here, choose your second app from the list shown on the bottom half. At this stage, tap on it to open it alongside the first. Once both apps are running, you'll see them split across your screen, and you can drag the divider bar in the middle to resize how much space each one takes up. That's how you turn on split screen mode on any Android phone. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.